I'm looking in the mirror and I see someone new, a reflection of the one God designed to walk with you. We've been praying in the secret, waiting on His time. Now the bells are finally ringing. I'm nervous but ready. I'm packing up my past, leaving the me behind to find the yes that heaven had in mind. This is more than just a ceremony, more than just a ring. It's the weight of the blessing that a covenant can bring. Now no more miss, I'm trading in the title. With my hand on the word, you're my living recital. The ink is drying on the page, a holy design. I'm so glad to tell the world that you are mine. I'm gonna carry your name like a crown on my head, in every prayer spoken, in every word said. From the I do at the altar to the amen at the end. You're my covering, my husband, and my best friend. I'll wear it with honor, I'll wear it with grace, under the shadow of the Almighty's face. Yeah, I'm ready for the change, so ready for the change. I'm so blessed to carry your name. They'll call me Mrs., and I'll smile every time, like a song of restoration, like a perfect rhyme. It's a brand new identity, a spirit reborn, like the dew of the Spirit on a bright morn. You're the head, I'm the heart. Under Christ we are one. Our story begins before the setting of the sun. I'll be your helper, your peace and your light, walking by faith and not by sight. Our love is strong, it's our place of rest, put to the test and passing the test like ointment poured forth